Hi there, Dr. Malka here, your chiropractor and acupuncturist. And today I'm going to be making a dish that's called Italian sausage, potatoes, onions, and bell peppers. First, we're going to be starting off with 2 pounds of potatoes that are going to be peeled and sliced. After you cut the potatoes into wedges, put them into cold salted water and put them on the stove and heat them for about 8 to 10 minutes or until a knife goes through the potatoes easily. One hack about potatoes is you never want to warm the water up and then put the potatoes in. You always want to put the potatoes in cold water first. Now we're going to be slicing 2 medium-sized onions. And when you slice these, you're going to keep them into rings, like so. So these are about 1/4-inch slices. And then just sliced again in half so it stays in this ring form. Now it's time to cook the garlic and the onions and the peppers. First, you're going to put 4 cloves of garlic in a heated saucepan with a little bit of olive oil. And cook the garlic for about 30 seconds. Then add the sliced onions and cook until they're translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. While the onions and garlic are cooking, we're going to start slicing the bell peppers. In this recipe, you should have 1 red bell pepper and 1 green. I only have red, so I'm going to use 2 red bell peppers. So we're going to sleet it and slice it into thin strips, like this. This is so interesting. While I was cutting and cleaning the pepper, I found a pepper inside of the pepper, a bonus. Time to slice the Italian sausage. I love the Beyond sausage. I'm going to use 4 of them, and I'm going to slice them into 1-inch pieces. Now I'm going to add the hot Italian sausage to the onion mixture and continue cooking for 10 minutes. Using a slotted spoon, transfer the potatoes into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and just mix it so it's even. And we're going to set these aside and put them on at the very end before we bake them. So now it's time to put the bell peppers in, but before I do that, this is amazing about these plant-based meats. Look how juicy that is. I mean, this is a plant-based sausage. It's so amazing. And it just tastes great. My carnivores have no idea that it's plant-based. So we're going to be putting the bell peppers in and cooking them for another 5 minutes. Now it's time to put everything together. So we're going to put the sausage mixture with the onions and the bell peppers in a pan. And then put the potatoes on top. Mix them gently. If you want the potatoes kind of crispy on top, you can just leave it like this without mixing it. And at this point, if you want to add a little more paprika and salt, you can do that. I like my heat, so I'm always going to go for more peppers. A little bit of salt. Cover it with foil. And bake it for 20 minutes with foil on, and then another 15 or 20 minutes with the foil off. right, so the sausage dish is done. Here they are, nice and crispy. A little bit charred, but still lovely. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.